Section 4. Shri Lawrence Rebello versus ITO. Section 4. A charge of income tax. The hardship allowance received from the developer capital receipt not chargeable to tax. Hardship allowance. What is it? Relying on the decision in the case of Dalaila Raj, Manu Shakni or ITO and Kaushal K. Bangai which is ITO and Sri Devashri Lakshmani Dithya ACIT held that the benefit received was assessee in a form of bigger size of flat and amount received as a hardship allowance from a developer is a capital receipt. Example, a developer agreed to build you a building in the land. You paid some money, but the builder takes more time. There was court cases. He was not in the end to he didn't provide you the what sufficient return based upon he didn't keep up the promise. That's a big problem. The promise was not kept up. Then after through cases, you get compensation from the court. Now the question is, the compensation is through cash. At the same time, he agreed to give you a big plot. Example, you agreed to give you a land of 15 cents. Now he said, okay, I will give you more than what I agreed, 15 to 20 cents. I'm give you 5 cents more land as a compensation. Is this a compensation as a capital gain or a capital receipt? It's a capital receipt. Okay, even whatever money he gave you, that is a more you paid for 5 cents or 15 cents, you get 20 cents. It is a capital gain. Okay, it's a capital gain, but it's a capital receipt. So no need to tax right now. It's exempted in the hands. Only when you sell the property, you need to pay capital gain.